You guys want a close-up look? There is literally no creasing.
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. It's your girl Fewani and I'm back with another video. So if you are new here, make sure you consider subscribing and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you come back and check that out, okay? I saw my girl Jackie Aina applying her concealer. I was looking at her video the other day and I saw her doing a little concealer trick that I've never seen before. So you know what? I decided I'm gonna come on here and test it out for you guys, okay? What I like to do is I like to spritz it on my hands and apply it to my face. I normally do my brows first, but I noticed she does not do her brow first, so I'm just gonna go with it, okay? So I'm going to be using CoverGirl Trublend Concealer, and this is supposed to be matte and transfer resistant, okay? And I'm going to be mixing it with a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. So I'm just gonna do like 2 pumps of this and 2 pumps of that. As you guys can see, one is lighter than one. What I saw her do is apply a lighter shade of concealer underneath her actual concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. Alright. And then she said, leave it to dry. So I'm going to leave this to dry. And while this is drying, she went ahead and contoured her face. So that's what I'm about to do, okay? I'm going to contour my face using this e.l.f. contour palette. So now I'm going to start blending out my contour. While this is still baking, Jackie girl, I trust you, okay? I trust you, so make sure this thing comes out popping. So now that this have already dried down, I'm going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to just blend it out. Now I'm going to go over this with my actual concealer shade and I'm going to see what effect I get, okay? Okay, now it's looking good. It's flawless. Sometimes I do have a little bit of creases. That's the reason why I want to see how her concealer routine works, okay? So now I'm going to be setting this with a Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about us? While this is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So now is the moment of truth. Let's get this off and see what's going on underneath. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna switch out my brush because that one's too dense. Let's see what's going on. And let's see. What do you guys think? Okay, check it out, check it out. So before I apply my bronzer, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. Do not quote me for this because I cannot remember the exact order that she went in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this orangey shade at the top. Blend it out a little bit. The thing about these eyeshadow palettes, they are really creamy and pigmented, and this palette is from Juvia's Place and it's called the Nubian 2. So I'm just blending that out. Okay, so I have no creasing under my eyes. It's super matte. It's comfortable. It's not uncomfortable at all. Okay guys, so this is how the look turned out. I did apply some green eyeshadow. I applied some falsies, plop on some lipstick, and finish up the rest of my face. And this concealer method, I'm going to tell you guys right now, it's not cakey. It does not feel different. It just gives you a lot more coverage and highlight your face a lot more. Like, give it a little bit more dimension. Jackie girl, I think I found my new concealer routine for when I have a long, hard day, okay? This will not be like a regular thing for me, but this would be in my routine from now on. Jackie girl, you are on to something. I love it. Guys, so I hope you like this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.